This demo will show you how to integrate FortiSIEM with Lacework, which is also known as FortiCNAPP. To get started, you will need to set up few things in your AWS account. First, create an SQS queue and an event bridge. According to the FortiSIEM external system configuration guide on docs.fortinet.com, you can configure the FortiCNAPP corporate AWS account to push events to your event bridge. Once the events are in your event bridge, you will need to create a rule to forward them to your SQS queue. Finally, FortiSIEM will ingest the data directly from the SQS queue. After entering all the required information in the credentials section, click OK. You can then test the credentials without a ping. Let's go ahead and test the connectivity now. As you can see, it's successful. Next, I will go to Pull Events tab. The green status indicates that we are ready to pull events from the Amazon SQS queue. Now, I will click on the report. This will display the AWS SQS event data from Lacework, showing all the event types from that environment. Next, I will navigate to the dashboard page and select the Fortinet Cloud Security dashboard. In the FortiCNAPP tab, you can view the total number of events, as well as the details on the alert categories, alert types, event types, top users, top hosts, and alert details. I am going to use the magnifying glass icon to filter for a specific event type. I'll click on the event name, select FortiCNAPP alert new external server IP, and then click apply. After filtering for a specific event type, you will see the total number of events for it. Notice how the alert details point to an anomaly. To get a more granular view, I am going to drill down into this specific event type. You can see the relevant data in the analytics, which will help us understand this in more detail. I am now in the raw event logs. Clicking Show Detail will help us understand and filter specific fields. To make the raw event logs easier to read, you can enable the JSON reader, which provides a simple summary. From the summary, you can see that the application svchost.exe made an outbound connection to the IP address 135.233.95.144. I will now add some display filters for the account ID, application name, destination IP, EC2 instance ID, and operation name. I will also remove the raw event log and click apply. Finally, the analytic search will help us find the necessary information to understand the behavior of this event type. We have the alerts generated by FortiCNAPP and where they appear as incidents in FortiSIEM. Here I can see the incident related to svchost.exe. The outbound connection was made to 135.233.95.144 on port 443. And the tactics observed are discovery and in system information discovery. The rule summary events section shows the rules that triggered this alert. You can click the threat icon to see if there is any IOCs related to this incident. FortiAI also analyzed the incident, providing a summary, root cause, the kill chain involved, and recommended remediation steps. Finally, from the Actions tab, you can execute a playbook to perform any necessary remediation. Thanks for watching.